It is nice to be among them. Abby, come.
Happy birthday to Dainty.
Next year,
What I have to say is that we need prayer.
we need justice backstage. We need justice.
I need prayer for all of them.
If you say Abby was working, that is an understatement because Abby really borrowed up so with one shovel a Sunday night. One shovel. I took like 7 full barrels to the heat down there. Okay? And I heard it's $4 grand a barrel.
No, that's it.
I know who did you hire. I'm standing in the hole where the guy is. And you just had to
You have time for that now. I look in time. You come, show it. Come, Sandy, we show you. Look here. No, right. But if I'm the chair, why are they called?
Your respect is bigger.
Everybody bright and give me black. Lick them with it.
From Kentucky.
No, and a Shebada date today. 1, 2, 3.
I said, Max, your heart I got trouble you tonight.
You must try and someone when you come on and take it. Maybe not from stages, but within stages.
Max, you're deep in a man, because everything we have to say in a meaning. Can't we move on?
Hey, don't do that mess with that, baby.
Don't understand, just don't understand. Did you not feel my innocence then? Also the look on my face. This is very serious.
Hey!
This is very serious and a big disgrace. Like father, like son, he is running wild. Never a moment to spend with his child. Like father, like son, like father, like son.
Divorce the same
Why
way.
do men always have to run?
We start the same way.
Like father, like son.
Married the same age.
Like father, like son.
Divorce the same way.
Like father, like son.
Live the same
Like
life.
father, like son.
Ajuki Jamini.
Like father, like son.
Ajuki Jamini.
Like father, like son.
Live the same
Like
life.
father, like son.
Ajuki Jamini.
Like father, like son. Like father, like son. He is running wild. Never a moment to spend with his child. Like father, like son. Like father, like son. Why do men always have to run? Run.
Hear me now. Hear me now. Hear me now. Hear me now, DJ. Hear me now, DJ.
Baby, what does she mean? Ever since I stopped announcing yes, my goodies.
Somebody can tell me one thing, please.
Wow.
Why is there flame when you put the audience and laugh?
With all my heart, but there is so much pressure tearing us apart. What am I to do? What am I to say? Where will we be tomorrow if I don't know where he is today? No.
Hey, that's what I say.
what are some youth? Them think them can't tell me for fool. And one thing I want to tell you, I'm me rule. When you love a man, he takes you for granted. At times it make you feel not wanted. When you love him, you play with your heart. Sometimes you just have to stay apart. It was easy for me to love you, so easy to look in your eyes, even easy for you to hurt me, and so easy to ignore my cries.